What's up, YouTube? 1, 2, 3, 4, Mr. Killer here. Today I got a new video for the shotgunning series. Did you know, guys, it's been 5 years since I've been doing that series. I just checked, and the one beer, I don't know, maybe you'll say something in the comments like, what? That should have been like your first 10. But Pabst Blue Ribbon. I checked my old channel. I've never shotgunned a 24 ounce Pabst Blue Ribbon on the channel before. So, that's gonna be new for me. I was like, what the fuck? That's crazy. No, but before I get into this, I'm gonna let you guys know, because when I'm recording the other ones, this one already will be out. But after this one, later in the future, I will be doing, because I've seen it in 24 ounce. I was shocked. I was like, whoa, that's pretty cool. Real American beer. And then same with this other one. I thought they only sold it in bottles. I didn't know they sold it in cans, like the 24 ounce cans. I know they sold like 16 cans. I didn't do like the 12 cans. But Guinness, I will be shotgunning a Guinness soon too. Real American beer, Guinness. Maybe I'll do like a review, cause it's been a minute since I did a review, so I haven't really been seeing anything. I mean, I got some Mad Dogs. Maybe I'll do one of those. I don't know, but it's not really. I don't know. I like this series. It's one of my favorite series in this channel. So, all right. Pabst Blue Ribbon. Just like that. Cool. It's very foamy. It's just still foaming, guys. That's gonna be fun to drink. I just have to get all the foam off. But other than that, just gonna go right into it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Enough talking. Let me just get straight down to business. Cheers. It was mostly just foam. Very foamy beer, maybe that's why I didn't want to shotgun it. It's just as good as I remember it. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, drop a big old thumbs up. If you didn't, drop that thumbs down and let me know that shit was asked. Alright. Well, I'm out. Yeah. Gotta go get some shit done. Or do something at least, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Killer out. Till next time.